Today's and now grade 9.
Okay. How's your feeling today, grade 9?
Kulba nga katolgon pero paguman na ni magsabong rami.
At least, at least yun ka ko nakatanong. Joke. Hey, are you ready for your questions?
Okay.
Ready na lang, wala na mahimo. Okay. Mr. Arsula, here is your question. What are your thoughts on the importance of proper nutrition for athletes and individuals? Okay, I will repeat the questions. What are the thoughts on the importance of proper nutrition for athletes and individuals?
Proper nutrition is very important because it gives us the energy needed to do our daily work and working out. And it also helps us reduce the risk of injuries and helps us recover fast. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Arsula. All right. How are you, Christine? Okay. Okay, here is your question. Okay, for you, what are your thoughts in the importance of proper nutrition for athletes and individuals?
I thought proper nutrition gives strength and energy to make them strong. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much and congratulations.